Tameron Gulf Coast always has the best selection of pre-owned vehicles, and today we have this beautiful 2021 Ford F-250 SD XL Crew Cab truck. On the exterior we have fully automatic headlights, four-wheel drive, power touring mirrors, and rear backup camera. Inside we have spacious leather seating for 6, outside temperature display, telescoping steering wheel, and Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2021 Ford F-250 SD XL has less than 13,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.